Good morning, students. Welcome back. Now, admission of the partner. So far, 13th problem we have solved. Now, today, the 5th problem I will solve because many students have told that they have little confusion from the department video. I had sent this 5th problem solution to the department link, but I will solve this again. Okay, here, goodwill treatment I will be giving as per new accounting standard. Okay. Yes. Now see the question. A and B are the partners. Balance sheet is given. Ratio is given 6:4. Then C is admitted. He brings 25,000 as capital. 8,000 towards goodwill. So capital and goodwill amount the partner only brings. So there is adjustment. Okay. First of all, we will solve this revaluation account. You are very familiar now to draw the lines how to do. Okay. Revaluation account. Debit particulars amount rupees, credit. Write it. So to write the revaluation account, what is the first step? Always I told you, ignore this. Depreciate furniture at 10%. Depreciate means what? Value has come down. It has become less. If value has come less, you will write in the debit side. So to furniture. Amount, how will you calculate? What is the amount of furniture? Look at the, oh yes. It is 30,000 into 10% andre 10 upon 100 euro. You will get 3,000. Isn't it? Yes. Next, appreciate building by 20%. Whenever the word appreciate comes, you will write in the credit side. Appreciate andre value has increased. It has become more. So, by building, how will you write? 20% ante. So, 20 divided by 100 into value of building ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 25,000. Okay, into 25,000. No, building is, I'm sorry, I saw the wrong question. Building is 30,000. Okay, I saw the wrong question, sorry. 30,000. Okay, never mind. So make it 30,000. It will give you, multiply ಮಾಡಿ 20 by 100 into 30,000 will give you 6,000. Next, what it says, provision for doubtful debts is no longer. That means your PDD, what is there, provision for doubtful debts, it is no longer. It is not necessary. Andre adu, I told you, provision for doubtful debts is always your expense. Adu kharchu nimge. So adu bekagilla anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Provision for doubtful debts is no longer. adu ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ it will come in the credit side. Okay, PDD no longer andre your expenses is not there. So expenses ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ always credit side. It is kind of gain ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Provision is no longer, your expenses is not there, so it is a gain. So by PDD write amount ಎಷ್ಟು 2,000. amount ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? Okay, don't get confused. ಇಲ್ಲಿ amount ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, but this amount question ಈ PDD ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2,000, that amount you will write. Okay, next what it says, provide 1,000 for repair charge. Repair charge, expense. You have repaired something, so you have to pay the money. If you have to pay the money, you will write in the debit side. So write provision for repair charges. Amount is 1,000. Okay? Yes. That's all. Next is goodwill is withdrawn. Adu partners capital account. Now balance ಮಾಡಿ. Balance ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? Add this. 6 plus 2,000 is 8,000. Highest is in the credit side is more. You can see. Illi, here also you will write 8,000. So 8,000 minus 1,000 minus 3,000 will give you correct 4,000. Iga 4,000 is a profit. Credit side is more alla, so this is profit. By profit transferred A and B. A do hege ratio is what? Question alli say 6:4. So share into 6 by 10. Idu add ಮಾಡಿ, add this. Then 4 by 10 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. A do 6 by 4. B do 4 by 10. 6 by 10, I'm sorry. 10, okay? Into 4,000 you do. Into 4,000 you do. So you'll get 2,400, 1,600. Isn't it? Yes. Your revaluation account is done. Now we will write the partner's capital account. See? Partner's capital account, write the format. Rupees value. Always first step in partner's capital account is what? Yes, by balance brought down. What is the balance you are bringing? Yes, this. 40 and 30,000. Write it. 40,000, 30,000. Isn't it? Yes. Next ಏನಿದೆ revaluation. Profit ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, here will write the credit side. By revaluation account, amount ಏನು ಇದೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. So 2,400 and 1,600. Yes. Next is what? Is there any general reserve ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, there is. General reserve fund 4,000. Give it in the old ratio. Ratio ಅಂದು ಈ ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Reserve fund. So buy reserve fund. Give it in the old ratio. 6:4. Reserve fund ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Yes, check 4,000. So how will you give? Easy. 4,000 into 6/10. 10 ake you have to add it. 4,000 into 4/10 month. When you multiply this, you will get, yes, 2,400, isn't it? Yes, 2,400. Here 1,600. Okay, you have to do this calculation. Yes. Next step is what? Yes, profit and loss illa. P&L account illa illi. Now he brings 25,000 as capital. He brings in cash because cash in hand is there in asset side. So by cash account 25,000. Okay. Iga in case illi bank idre, cash at bank idre, entry will come by bank account. Okay. Yes. Now next what is there? Goodwill. 8,000 towards goodwill. Students, here now I'm solving goodwill treatment. I'm giving as per accounting standard. Okay, how department they have solved, that I'm doing. How I have solved in other problem, that is also correct. This is also correct. But this one also I will teach you. Okay, it should not be like you all don't know only. So one method I want to teach you. So here what you have to do, normal goodwill accounting entry what we used to give. Buy cash add nantra, buy goodwill account, old partners we used to give, isn't it? But here I am doing as per accounting standard, new method. So till here is done, no? Okay. Now what you have to do is 8,000 towards goodwill again, you have to put an entry. Buy cash account, bracket alli bariri goodwill. Okay? Amount goodwill eshide 8,000. This is one entry for goodwill. Then goodwill you have to give new method is, that is old partners account debtor to new partners account debtor to old partners. See how it is. By new partner's name you write. By C's capital account. C is a new partner. Okay. This goodwill account for 8,000 ideala. You have to give it in the ratio 6:4. Sacrifice ratio li kodi. How will you give? Yes. Goodwill amount 8,000. You give it in the 6:4 ratio. When you multiply, you will get, see, I will just show 8,000 into 6/10, 8,000 into 4/10 madi. When you multiply this, you will get 4,800. When you multiply 8,000 into 4/10, you will get 3,200. So what did I do? These are the two new entries for this problem as per the new accounting standard method. By cash account, goodwill amount illi. By C's capital, you have to give it for A and you have to give it for B. Name is by new partner's name. By C's capital. Yeah. Now the same entry you have to pass here. Old partner's name. To A's capital account, to B's capital account. But amount you will not write in A, B, but you will write here. Which amount? The same amount. I will repeat it once again, students. Please do not get confused. What I did first. By cash account, goodwill amount eshtu takond bandidane bariri. By cash account, goodwill how much he brought, you write. Then this amount you have to give it to the old partners. So entry will be by C's capital. That is new partners account debtor to old partners it is. New partner ala C capital account debtor to, give it in the ratio. Same entry to A's capital, new old partners now. To A's capital account to B's capital account, amount you put here. In C. So the entry is how you know, new partners account debtor to old partners anta. As per the new accounting standard method. Okay, so I will tell it once again. By cash account for the goodwill amount. Second, goodwill account, give it in the sacrifice ratio to older, but by C's capital anta bari. Yes, now same entry you have to pass in debit side to A's capital, to B's capital, but in C's column. Yes, okay, fine. This was a entry for the goodwill. Now Goodwill is to be withdrawn. Withdrawn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? Withdrawn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They are taking the amount and going. So always partners capital account debtor to cash account. ಇದು ಸೇಮ್. In my method also withdrawn ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. To cash account, full amount good withdrawn. ಏನು? ಈ ಸೇಮ್ amount full. ಬರೀರಿ goodwill withdrawn 3,200. That's it. I will finish. Now balance it. I will just tell this once again. Illinda heltene by cash account what is the amount he brought. 25,000 is the amount what he brought. Then 8,000 ige he brings goodwill. This is a new method. By cash account goodwill is. Then treatment for the goodwill account as per the new accounting standard method. That is new partners account debtor to old partners. Illi new partner ಹೆಸರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ old partners ಹೆಸರು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. Easy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ new partners name, here old partners name. I will tell once again, here new partner, old partner, new partner, old partner. So new partners capital account debtor to old partners. New partners capital account debtor to old partners. So new partner by C is capital, C is a new partner. Dividend the ratio, sacrifice ratio. Iday amount to new partners, old partners, sorry, to A's capital, to B's capital in new partners. So entry ಏನು? New partners capital account debtor to old partners. New partners capital account debtor to old partners. This is the entry for the withdrawn. Withdrawn is same. Withdrawn is always cash or bank ಬರ್ತದೆ. But here it is cash. Okay. Now balance ಮಾಡಿ, total ಮಾಡಿ. Total is A column, it looks this side is more. It gives you 49,600. Here also right, 49,600. So when you minus with this 49,600 minus 4,800 will give you, yes, 44,800. That is to balance carried down. This side it is 36,400, 36,400, 33,200. When you minus 36,400 with 1,200 will give you 33,200. Here is 30. Yes, 25 plus 8,000 it will give you. Yes, 33,000. Here also 33,000. 33,000 minus 4,800 minus 3,000. 33,000 minus 4,800, 3,200 will give you 25,000. Same amount by balance brought down. Same idanne copy ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, only here you have to remember is for this goodwill, first cash what he brings, goodwill ಗೆ one entry ಕೊಡಬೇಕು by cash account goodwill amount. Then new partners capital account debtor to old partners. New partners ಇಲ್ಲಿ old partners, but this is for the withdrawn entry. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Thank you students.